She walks alone beneath the sky, where open fields and breezes lie. A weight she carried for so long now softens like a fading song. Layers fall from heart and mind as she leaves old rules behind. Breathing deep, she starts to see a clearer path to being free. In the sunlight, in the air, she remembers how to care for the self she hid away, longing for a brighter day. In the quiet, wide and true, she learns her heart can shine anew. No more walls of silent doubt, no more fears that shut her out. Nature holds her in embrace, giving warmth and giving space. Authenticity unfolds as her inner truth takes hold. She moves gently through the light, feeling safe in her own right. In the sunlight, in the air, she remembers how to care for the self she hid away, longing for a brighter day. In the quiet, wide and true, she learns her heart can shine anew. Sometimes freedom comes from letting the soul